YouTube, and welcome to a Let's Play of Animal Jam.
Sorry, 6:30.
So, in this episode, we are going to be meeting my brother in his den, because he's, making it beautiful. So, let's let it load, and yeah, on our way there. So,
Be careful.
I'll see you there. Hi, I'm back, and oh look, I got fan mail, I bet. Probably not fan mail, but you are lots of fun. Aw, it's from my brother. I love this dude. Oh, he can be present too. I got the paw rug. Yeah.
Hey!
Don't move the world, okay?
I love the deep fryer.
Don't move, baby. No, I'm getting
I'm
you.
talking to myself.
No, I'm going to you. Okay, he is apparently going to me. I'm going to my den though. I'm going to my den.
Okay, I don't want your mustache.
My mustache is my favorite baby.
I want it.
So yeah, let me choose what I want. I think I want to be my fox for a special episode. The special episode is us going on a shopping spree. Oh, really? That's an awesome trade, actually. I'm not lying. I like that trade. You can hear my brother freaking out in the background, maybe. So, I'm going to my brother's den now to see how much he's enchanted it. How much is he
in here!
Oh my gosh, it is magical. It's a magical. Oh!
Ta-ta!
I love your den. Where's my wallpaper though?
It's on display here.
Hey, you want me to turn into my panda too?
Can't you see it? It's on the wall.
I'll be my panda with a spike on. A panda with a spike. 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 See? A panda with a spike. A panda with a spike. Huh? Now, that's not fair. Yeah, bro, that's not fair.
Where's the other hamster gone? Can you help me find it?
No.
You little bubble!
My brother's over there. So, I'm gonna go to my den so we can start our shopping spree. You can come if you want, bro.
Hold on!
It's at my den.
Hello? Sorry, I didn't know you.
We're going on a shopping spree. Okay, I know this sounds really girly, but I'm actually pretty excited for this because I've never gone on a shopping spree. So first of all, let's get a magic mirror. Yeah.
Hey, cash money.
I want to ask
you a question. They don't do long.
I'm not placing it yet.
When you do.
What cash money does?
Oh, you can see my brother over there.
Do it, though?
I like that actually.
Go on Wonga.com and just fill out their application. They just put the money directly in your bank account.
Yeah, it seems pretty good so far.
You don't have to give them any information.
I think I really want that.
You don't have to give them any papers. You just fill out where you work.
I like that.
How long you've been there.
Yay! Woohoo!
Yeah.
10 gems left.
Your bank account information. I can use one from there. It's so easy. And they do up to 45 days. So say you loan today, you could make it so you don't pay
I'm
back.
changing my character now because I can.
Wait. That's what I do.
Okay, so let me turn up my sound so you can hear me better.
You have to loan off your child tax.
So now I'll just place down my mirror so my brother can talk to himself. Because he hasn't seen the mirror yet.
Yeah, you got it right now.
Okay, it's over there, Quentin.
Oh, yeah, we do.
In the corner.
I hate that. Corner.
He's like playing with it. He loves it.
Do I like you?
You're welcome.
You're right. Do I love you? You're right. Do I want to have you? You're right. Do
I like you? Why is it backwards? Oh, I did it wrong. Oh, I did it wrong. Please I'm moving it.
You have a poop. Do I have a poop? I do.
Okay, and now it's normal.
Hi. You mean? Are you mean?
You're so mean.
What do you mean, I said? Yes, you are wrong. Do I like you? You're wrong. Do I have reflection? You're right.
Good idea.
Beaver. You're right.
So yeah,
Do I
my
hate
mother's
everybody
right
in
behind
family?
me.
You're right.
We're
Do I hate you?
You're right.
Do I hate you?
You're right.
Do I hate you?
You're right.
Wrong. Do I hate you? What the fuck?
Please, Quentin, please. Quentin, please.
You okay? Want to say you there? Want to say you there? You mine?
No, I
Want
don't
a
think.
stack of books?
Yes, I want a second book. Woohoo!
That's what I can't touch that yet.
Now I'm gonna design my den. Let's take everything out. Quentin, you should play with Spirit.
You're right. Uh-huh. Wait. I want to show you something. Raid the roof.
You're so cute.
Raid the roof.
Let's.
Let's turn it up.
Actually, this was our shopping spree one, so we're.
Money. Actually, I do.
Let's go to the Soul Arcade.
No, I do.
No, I need to go to the Soul Arcade. I have $10.
Yeah.
So teleport to me, so we can be in the same one. This was all.
Do I see you?
Yes, you see me. Come on,
Where are you?
behind you.
I didn't find the thing.
What are you gonna play?
I'm gonna get sky high.
Wanna play Falling Phantom? What? A pot of gold for my spiked collar? No.
Yes, do it.
No. They want my spiked collar for a pot of
Can I
gold.
use my collar for something?
No.
Please,
Come on. Play Falling Phantoms. Play Falling Phantoms.
Wait.
Well, one second. Let me get. Hey guys, and I'm not sure where you are. So, do you see?
Panda, don't you see me?
No, I don't see no panda.
Ah!
Don't. I died. Quinn, exit your game.
I want to live. I want to get money. Die.
3, 2, 1.
Cat. Purge.
Go. So this game, I love this game. It's kind of fun. There's this guy and he's just standing still. Like what? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Did you go to the game?
No, come on. Just quit it. Quit.
I want money.
Just quit it. Okay, click Falling Phantom.
Wait. Where did we go?
Go. Oh, I don't see you. Come on, exit game.
Wait. I think it's starting. Here's the ball. Look there. Just die.
No.
Just try to survive.
I'm already at the end though. I already quit.
Fine. I died. I can't die.
Okay, come here.
New game. I'll listen to the game.
3, 2, 1.
No.
Do you see me?
No.
Okay, press X then.
Pardon?
He said flip. Okay, click Falling Phantoms in
I
3.
know you ain't saying the F word.
I see you.
You do?
Do I?
No. Okay, whatever, just play.
Okay, I've had enough of this already. You guys just got back.
What are we doing?
Annoying the shit out of me
Die. Die.
with the video games.
Die.
So we should play, I think we could play the Jamma Derby. So let's go. And let's play Pro. I can play Pro.
Bye, bunny.
So yeah.
Won't live for long.
I'm using my dad's headphones. They're cool.
Give me the coin.
I'm the one who just jumped with the wings. And that guy has awesome hair. Oh wow. Huh. That guy has epic hair. Get in front of me and then I hit my button. Oh, you want a challenge?
Megan, why do they have this thing in the solo game? I think it's play Pro, Megan.
You have to play a lot. And
Wait, you can log it?
yeah, I unlocked it
How do you know?
because I'm playing it right now.
Did you unlock it?
Yeah, 'cause remember how I used to play it all day, every day?
Not on Pro.
No, just normal.
But that's how you unlocked it.
Yeah, just play normal, and you get a lot of coins, gems too. So in the next video, we're gonna do shopping spree again. Whoa, that hurt my ears.
No!
Sorry for that.
You beat myself!
Guys, I'm making a video.
We're not stupid, Megan.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so I might just quit. No, actually, I'm not. I need coins. Yeah. It is fun. Quinn, when you get to the end of your race, meet me outside, okay? Meet me outside of your game.
Okay.
Because I'm waiting for you. I'll pause the game until he gets out, okay? Come on. And click the JAMA Derby in 3, 2, 1, click. Yeah. Do you see me?
What are you?
I'm
the brown horse.
No. A mustache. You see me? I'm doing a ninja face.
Hey, green tail, right?
Yeah. Do a ninja face. Ninja face. Ninja face. Okay, I see you.
I'm winning.
Me and my brother in the world.
You're not winning, Megan. I won before, and I'm not losing.
Oh, you're not losing, eh? Boom.
You didn't have one, sucker.
Ha 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 ha.
Cheater! You see this one in the front? That's me.
No, the one beside you.
Oh!
That is awesome.
Yeah?
Carrot.
Sucker.
Oh no, I hit the mud.
Sucker. What? You cheater!
What? Not? Oh no! 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 Yes!
How do you do that, you slow cheater?
Woohoo!
Wait, was that the time?
Yeah. You're behind me though in my screen. Copier.
Stop.
2, 1. Ha ha ha. I won 100 gems.
I'm not quitting.
Okay, don't quit.
See? Do you want to go again, punk?
Yeah, actually I do.
Purple nipple!
Purple nipple? That was a piece of cake.
Purple nipple! I'm a purple nipple too!
No, you're in front of me.
You're coming to win!
Choo!
Now how are you gonna win, Megan?
You fail drastically.
That's not gonna happen.
I'm really waiting
Damn
to.
it! It's too large. How do you glide in the air?
Because I have wings.
Doesn't matter. I'm still winning. Come on. Come on.
Most people lose because I don't have wings on. Yeah, that's my theory. I see some girl's tail waving in the air.
No!
She waves her tail.
I always... Yes!
No, I'm in front of you.
You freaking cheater!
No, I'm not.
God, will you guys stop?
Yes!
Get ready to eat.
What? How?
What do you mean how? Supper's ready.
You're not done with the night!
I might cut the video short a little. Sorry.
You might shut it off now.
What? Okay, so, yeah. We'll play one more round, and then, yeah, the end of the video. What?
About 5 seconds.
Okay, well, I can just pause it until I'm done eating. So, yeah.